In code. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Assembly Language Conditional Statements, NASM x86. This program demonstrates how to implement conditional logic in assembly. Instead of traditional IFL statements, we use CMP, compare two values. Jump instructions, JE, JNE, JG, JL, JG, JLE. We will compare two numbers. Jump to different sections based on the comparison. Print messages based on conditions. Data segment, initialize values. Define number 1 equals 10. Define number 2 equals 5. Message if number 1 equals number 2. Message if number 1 number 2. Message if number 1 number 2. New line character for formatting output. Text segment, executable code. Define the entry point for execution. One comparing two values using CMP, compare. CMP compares two values. Sets flags in the processor based on the result. Used with conditional jump instructions. Load number 110 into AL. Compare AL 10 with number 2 5. Conditional jump based on CMP result. Jump to underscore equal if number 1 equals number 2. 0 flag set. Jump to underscore greater if number 1 number 2. Greater flag set. Jump to underscore less if number 1 number 2. Less flag set. The program will jump to one of the above labels based on CMP result. If none match, it will continue to the next instruction. Print numbers are equal using system call. Message length. Address of message in memory. File descriptor. Stout equals 1. System call number for sys_write. Call Linux kernel to print message. Jump to exit program. Print. Number 1 is greater. Using system call. Message length. Address of message. File descriptor. Stout equals 1. System call number for sys_write. Call Linux kernel to print message. Jump to exit program. Print. Number 1 is smaller. Using system call. Message length. Address of message. File descriptor. Stout equals 1. System call number for sys_write. Call Linux kernel to print message. Exiting the program. sys_exit. System call number for sys_exit. Exit status 0, success. Call kernel to terminate program. End of program. Conditional statements successfully demonstrated. Thank you for being here today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content.